Scottie Morris Pippen Sr., born September 25, 1965, commonly known as Scottie Pippen, is an American former professional basketball player who played 17 seasons in the National Basketball Association (NBA), winning 6 NBA championships with the Chicago Bulls, Considered one of the greatest small forwards of all time, Pippen played an important role in transforming the Bulls into a championship team and popularizing the NBA around the world during the 1990s. Pippen was named to the NBA All-Defensive First Team 8 consecutive times and the All-NBA First Team 3 times. He was a 7-time NBA All-Star and was the NBA All-Star Game MVP in 1994. He was named one of the 50 greatest players in NBA history during the 1996-97 season, and is one of 5 players to have his jersey retired by the Chicago Bulls, the others being Jerry Sloan, Bob Love, Michael Jordan, and Derrick Rose. He played a main role on both the 1990 Chicago Bulls championship team and the 1996 Chicago Bulls championship team, which were selected as 2 of the top 10 teams in NBA history. His biography on the Naismith Basketball Hall of Fame's website states that the multi-dimensional Pippen ran the court like a point guard, attacked the boards like a power forward, and swished the nets like a shooting guard. During his 17-year career, he played 12 seasons with the Bulls, 1 with the Houston Rockets, and 4 with the Portland Trail Blazers, making the postseason 16 consecutive times. In October 2021, Pippen was again honored as one of the league's greatest players of all time by being named to the NBA's 75th anniversary team. Pippen is one of the only 2 NBA players to have won an NBA title and Olympic gold medal in the same year twice. The other one is Jrue Holiday, having done so in both 1992 and 1996. He was a part of the 1992 U.S. Olympic Dream Team, which beat its opponents by an average of 44 points. He was also a key figure in the 1996 Olympic team, alongside former Dream Team members Karl Malone, John Stockton, Charles Barkley, and David Robinson, as well as newer faces such as Shaquille O'Neal, Anthony Penny Hardaway, and Grant Hill. He wore the number 8 during both years. Pippen is a 2-time inductee into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame, once for his individual career and once as a member of the Dream Team, having been simultaneously inducted for both on August 13, 2010. The Bulls retired his number 33 on December 8, 2005. The University of Central Arkansas retired his number 33 on January 21, 2010. He was formerly married to television personality Larsa Pippen and is the father of NBA basketball player Scottie Pippen Jr. and college basketball player Justin Pippen. Pippen was born on September 25, 1965, in Hamburg, Arkansas, to Ethel and Preston Pippen, a paper mill worker. He has 11 older siblings. His mother was 6 feet tall and his father was 6 feet 1 in, and all of their children were tall, with Scottie Pippen being the tallest. His parents could not afford to send their other children to college. Pippen's second oldest brother became paralyzed after an injury in a high school pay class. 6 years later, his father suffered a stroke that paralyzed his right side, prevented him from walking, and affected his speech. Playing point guard at Hamburg High School, Pippen led his team to the state playoffs and earned all-conference honors as a senior, but was not offered any college scholarships. Personal life equals, although his given name is spelled Scottie on his birth certificate, Pippen usually goes by Scottie. Pippen has been married twice. He married Karen McCollum in 1988. The couple had a son, Antron Pippen 1987-0-1, before divorcing in 1990. Pippen fathered twin daughters, Taylor and Tyler Roby, born in 1994 with his former girlfriend, Sonia Roby. Tyler Roby died 9 days after birth. Pippen also fathered a daughter, born in 1995, with his former fiancée, Yvette de Leon. Pippen married Larsa Pippen, who later became a Real Housewives of Miami star, in 1997. The couple had 4 children: Scottie Jr., Preston, Justin, and Sophia. Though Pippen filed for divorce in 2016, he later withdrew his divorce petition. Larsa Pippen filed for divorce in 2018, and the divorce was finalized in late 2021. Their first child, Scottie Pippen Jr., born in 2000, is a professional basketball player for the Memphis Grizzlies of the NBA. Their second child, Preston Pippen, born in 2002, used to play basketball in high school but opted not to continue the sport in college, instead studying entrepreneurship and business, graduating with a degree in business from Loyola Marymount University. Their third child, Justin Pippen, born in 2005, is currently committed to play college basketball for the California Golden Bears after playing 1 season with the Michigan Wolverines. Their fourth child, Sophia Pippen, born in 2008, is a model and also acts and dances, having previously appeared on the first season of Dancing with the Stars, Juniors in 2018. Pippen's nephew, Cavion Pippen, is a professional basketball player for the Maine Celtics of the NBA G League. Shortly after retiring, Pippen learned that his financial advisor Robert Lunn, who he claimed had been recommended by the Bulls, was under investigation for bank fraud. Pippen had invested over $20 million through Lunn, who was sentenced to 3 years in prison in March 2016 on multiple fraud counts. Lunn was found to have forged Pippen's signature on a $1.4 million loan that Lunn used to pay off personal debts. Legal issues. On July 11, 2013, Cameron Shafiqi filed a $4 million lawsuit against Pippen in Los Angeles Superior Court over an incident that had occurred on June 23 at the restaurant Nobu in Malibu, California. Shafiqi said that he was physically attacked by Pippen after taking pictures of Pippen inside and outside the restaurant, and was then taken to a hospital. On August 27th, the district attorney's office announced that charges would not be filed against Pippen. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.